Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we have a game changer for anyone on the go, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth keyboard with touchpad. Stay tuned to discover how this compact and versatile keyboard can boost your productivity. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech reviews. Let's jump in. As we unbox the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth keyboard, you'll immediately notice its sleek and modern dark gray design. But what sets this keyboard apart is its incredible flexibility and portability. It unfolds to a full-size keyboard with standard 0.63-inch keys, offering a typing experience that's second to none. The keyboard is designed to match your finger size and typing habits, making it incredibly comfortable to use. With quiet scissor switch keys and non-slip silicone pads at the bottom, you can concentrate fully on your work, whether it's typing up documents or replying to emails. Here's where it gets exciting. The Samsers keyboard supports seamless multi-device connectivity. You can pair it with up to 3 devices simultaneously, thanks to Bluetooth 5.1. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, iOS, or Android, this keyboard has got you covered. It's perfect for those who switch between devices frequently. But that's not all. This keyboard comes with a multi-touch touchpad, eliminating the need for a separate mouse. It's incredibly responsive and allows you to control your device with ease. Plus, it's foldable like the keyboard itself. Worried about battery life? The built-in rechargeable battery can last up to an impressive 48 hours of continuous use or a whopping 560 hours in standby mode. A 2 to 3 hour charge provides you with all the power you need, whether you're on a short business trip or vacation. And yes, it comes with a Type-C charging cable. This keyboard's design isn't just functional, it's stylish too. Crafted from durable ABS plus PC material, it's both lightweight and stable. It's perfect for daily wear and tear, and its elegant frosted appearance complements your tablet, phone, or laptop effortlessly. Plus, it's a fantastic travel companion. But wait, there's more. With your purchase, you'll also receive a free phone holder. This magnetic stand complements the keyboard perfectly, giving you the ideal screen angle for a productive setup. It's all about convenience and versatility. And finally, Samsers provides top-notch customer support. You get a 12-month hardware warranty, 24-hour email response, 100% satisfaction service, and lifetime technical support. They've got your back every step of the way. In conclusion, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth keyboard with touchpad is a versatile, portable, and stylish companion for anyone who values productivity on the go. With its full-size experience, multi-device connectivity, touchpad functionality, and long battery life, it's a game-changer. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this keyboard, drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews right here on Product Critique. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.